Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ on the daily and the weekly time frame. So the SPY bulls came out to start the day, but now we have a double top, the high of this bounce, 245.62, 245.61, middle Bollinger Band resistance also in play now as well. And we closed fairly close to the low of the day, so we are still showing some weakness. Really the past 3 days in a row with the lack of follow through from the very bullish day that we saw on Tuesday, definitely notable. So we're looking down at support of 244.39 and 243.75. If we break those levels, there's a gap to fill at 243.20. And overall, we have to now break this double top for this bounce to gain any further momentum, which will mean having to get over the middle Bollinger Band resistance as well. The weekly time frame is a bullish reversal candlestick after 2 weeks of consolidation. The notable consolidation was on increased bear volume, but we are holding the middle Bollinger Band and clearly forming a higher low at this point. From here, we'll be watching to see if the bulls can confirm this bullish reversal candlestick with another green week next week, ideally setting a higher low and a higher high compared to this week, but we'll have to get over that double top and that middle Bollinger Band resistance to do so. IWM saw some nice follow through as well, but this is a bearish reversal doji and it's coming after the top of a multiple day bounce. So this is our new lower high, it looks like. And that high is at 137.31. If we see a red day and a loss of the higher low pattern on the daily, so if Monday, if we break 136.42 and see a red day, we will look to pull back. It will then be up to the bulls to form a higher low and then break this high to shift momentum and change this trend. So certainly not anticipating to change the trend coming right off the low. We have to consolidate, form higher lows and higher highs to do that. The weekly time frame is also a bullish reversal candlestick, bouncing off of key 134 support, which has held the last 4 tests in the past 3 months. And at this point, same thing. The bulls have to confirm the bullish reversal candlestick, see a solid higher low and higher high on the weekly time frame, and close with a nice green end of the week. QQQ, middle Bollinger Band daily resistance, clearly rejecting the price 3 out of the last 4 days. But the 50-day moving average support is holding, so we essentially have converging levels. A close below the 50-day, and we'll be looking back at our recent low of 140.18. A close above the middle Bollinger Band, and we're looking at our high of the bounce, 143.35, and then our lower high of 144.96. So overall, the bears still have momentum as we close near the low of the day, but we do still have support. The low of yesterday, 141.47, which is going to be the level right after this 50-day moving average. So you can see the clear tightening range. Those are the moving averages that I'm going to be watching on Monday to see which we close above or below first. Weekly time frame here is also a bullish reversal candlestick. This was the healthiest consolidation of the 3. Even though it took a month of pullback, still easily a higher low. It is a bullish reversal candlestick, and the bulls are looking to maintain full control on this weekly time frame with where we currently stand. If we see a green week, we will confirm the reversal candlestick and be looking back up at that all-time high. If we lose the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame over the next couple of weeks, we'll be looking at the higher low pattern, which the bulls need to maintain to keep that uptrend in their favor. So no signs of any long-term trend changes at this point. There is still weakness on these daily time frames from the bounce, not really developing with all the strength that we have seen in previous bounces. So next week will be very interesting to see. Can these bullish reversal weekly candlesticks be confirmed, or do the bears take back over on the daily and head back down to our recent lows? We'll check back in then. Have a great weekend.